I was working with this company. They've been around for 38, maybe it's like close to 40 years now. And they do the architectural door cabinet hardware. So like, door handles, etc. And when we looked at them and their competitors, all the messaging, it's like the words were slightly different, but it's pretty much like as in any industry that we see currently. It's pretty much a duplicate. And I was asking, okay, so what's a common issue that's coming up for you, like for your customers? And they found that by the time customers came to them, and this is everybody in their industry, that the builder grade doors had already been installed. And so it didn't give them the flexibility or access to all like of their pieces. Say for example, somebody's like, oh, I saw this on Pinterest, whatever, right? I want this. And they're like, no, sorry, we can't do that unless you like rip out the door and start again. And then you're adding in thousands of dollars, if at all, right? So I asked them, I was like, okay, imagine a perfect world and you could come in at a point where that would not be a problem. When would that be? So they were saying it would be when the designer is actually drawing up these entryways. And we're like, okay, so at that point, it's like, hang on, maybe we need to change like that target audience. But it's going beyond that, right? We need to also make sure, it's like, how do we make them care? Because why should they care less about door handles? Sorry, interior designers, why should they care about door handles as they're drawing up these entry spaces? It's something that's often missed. And it's like, what are they most concerned about? And it's a similar sort of thing. They want to be seen as number one, number two. They want to see as the most trendy interior designers. So then we reposition them as being a resource to those interior designers. Upcoming trends, interviewing these like interior designers, others in the industry, to make sure that these interior designers, they're coming to this company even before that. They're following them. And so when it comes to that point, they're already involved. They're like, hey, we've got this company that can handle these things. They're already in that process. And it completely changed everything, the number of visitors to the website.
You almost changed the sales cycle, right? Like you went that far in the journey to like actually change the sales cycle from when you start talking to these people to versus when you were doing that before, which is amazing. It is not very doable in our world.
I think that's the thing, because you're basically like ahead of you're even more ahead of the buyers. Like it's so what's the impact on the company from obviously the marketing wise? I think that bit is really like, it makes sense. It would it's impacted your ICP, it's impacted the type of marketing you do. What about the culture of the company? Because I can imagine there are some people who may have been like, don't know about that. What was that bit like?
The whole process from the get-go, we're getting the team buy-in. We're testing out. It's not waiting 3 months, 6 months. We're being like, okay, based on these conversations, okay, we finished today. Let's test out these things. So the team's already on board. We're already getting like, okay, we're getting the feelers out. What do you guys feel about this? Would this clash with the way that you work? Does this add work to your already painful day? You're handling customers or you're handling, different campaigns. Does this add work? Or is this just a way to make things easier? Potentially, you see the light, you're like, oh my God, actually, let's take this direction.
Did it impact sorry, we're like properly digging into this because it's really an interesting example. Yeah. Did it impact their buying cycle? So did they go from like, we supply handles to, fuck, we need to know what the next trendiest thing will be and make sure that we have it in stock? Did it shift like that part of sourcing?
So they already had the access from the get-go. It's just like they weren't talking about that. Like they actually
right.
travel across the world to get pieces. So it's almost like they were already doing.
They're already doing it. Yeah.
They just weren't actually marketing that bit of the business. The fact they were doing that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's why, like, for me, there's four approaches, 4 ways that I look at positioning. Maybe one of them is that, like, positioning earlier in the cycle, but those are the 4 ways. And then from that, it's like, okay, let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this, and seeing that it makes sense. Like, same thing. We wouldn't want them to be going out being like, oh shit, like now we need to go and find the latest door handle. Don't do that. Come on. No. Like, there's no point.
No, but that's the point, right? That's the point, is that that's not your brand.
Mm.
If you're not already doing it, it's not your brand, right?
Exactly.
I feel like I've been schooled.
Mm-hmm. You're bringing us back